Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate my live trades, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market triple Q gapping up, giving me a bullish sentiment on the day. Amazon also gapping up. Tesla was looking good, but right now looks like the trend has reversed. But Nvidia trading below yesterday's closing price, so not interested as of now. I would like Tesla to break the pre-market high and continue higher to be interested in a call position. To the put position, Tesla has to break yesterday's closing price first. Only then I'll be interested, else I'll stay away. We do have around 4 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open, watching Tesla and Nvidia. Like Tesla to break the current high of 921. Can be a bull trap. Strong. That's good to see. Perfect. Upper wick. I want this candle to close strong. Perfect. Around 1 minute for this candle to close. Not liking the upper wick. 6 seconds for this candle to close. $11. Placing an order. Run EMA bounce. My second ad would be around this area. Out. That was a great trade, making close to around $180. Just like that. I'll take it. Watching Tesla for a second trade. I think it's time for a significant pullback. This candle just got started. I don't want to be too early in the trade, so I'll wait. Again, an EMA bounce. Bummer there. Low was 1020. Was looking for 10. Triple Q 317 is strong area of support. So I'm waiting for Triple Q to give a pullback around that area. And I think that would align with this area of support. If that comes, looking to get in. And 10. Yep, I'm in. My final ad would be around this area. Out. Perfect trade. Waited for it, and that puts me around $280 on the day. Was a risky trade, but I would like to show what I was watching. So here, Triple Q 317 was a strong area of support, and it respected that level. When Triple Q approached 317, Tesla was approaching this area of support. A decent day of trading, making $280 in less than 20 minutes. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.